You're looking for a garment rack. Put shoes on the bottom, clothing on the center, items on top, pants, jackets, shirts, suits, and more. We're going to show you how to build a straight rack and how to switch to the right angle in no time. Show you what the rack's all about. Today we're reviewing from ULIFHOME, and we're going to show you how easy it is to build the E15 garment rack and what it looks like. We have here is ULIFHOME garment rack. Check online for further details about the product. As we open up the product, we'll show you what you get inside and how nicely things are packed. Remove all tie wraps. We have here in the manual, instruction guide, all the parts and material, parts labeled, and parts material, and the shelving units. We're going to install step by step what the unit looks like. A close-up shot of assembling the clips on. They match up to the area, and they go in the upright position, narrow on top, wide on bottom, and they snap together and into place. The foot extenders extend, and the poles join together. Bottom pole, mid pole, and top pole. We'll be assembling 6 poles. With the pole, shelf B, slide through 2 poles. Lock into place by placing up and tapping down with the edge of a hammer. With shelf A, 4 poles, slide through, lock down and repeat for the other 3. And join A and B together by interlocking. With the kit, these are your locking mechanism: a washer and a clip. Screw down. And the nut. Lock together down below in the provided holes. Optional tools are required for tightening. Repeat for the other in the front. Take measurement, place on the clips, lock into place by snapping all 4. With the rack, place on the top and over and slide down all 4 poles. Secure down with the mallet or back of the hammer. The end 2 poles, the same height with the clips, lock into place. With the bar, slide on and over and lock down. Tap into place. With the remaining clips to the upmost hole, lock down and lock into place, or to the height you desire. With the last shelf, number A, place on all 4 poles. Shelf number B, the last 2 poles. And the clips joining the center rack and locking down. The remaining square washer to the hole with the C-clip joining together with the bell house nut lock into place the last two. With your setup in the center, the hooks, the thumb bolts, and pole. Repeat for the others. Hanging up 1, 2, 3, or 4 poles, we're given a joining, hanging, double-threaded rod that screws in, sliding through the center post and locking both posts down onto the top. We join our rods together. We have the additional pole for the L shape. In the kit, we are provided hooks that simply snap on to the unit, to the poles, like so. For security, we have brackets, hooks, tie wraps, and screws, 2 kits. We have a height of 79 inches, across about 56 inches, and depth 16 inches. The shells can be adjusted with the clips at different heights and different angles. We have here is a opening of from the bottom shelf to the top shelf at 49 inches. We have hooks, we have closed poles, and storage areas. We can make one shelf unit, 5 sections, L shape, or straight across as shown. For clothing, storage, shelving units, a place to put your shirts, pants, hats, and more. Hooks to take your bags, umbrella, leaf blowers, and more. Hooks can be placed on the side. Clothing rack could be hung up like so, any way imaginable. To reassemble and place a right angle, remove the poles and the clips, top and bottom, lift up, rotate to the side, lock on, top and bottom, adjust, and lock down each of the clips back into the spot. Washer on the inside, L bracket on the outside with the bell house nut. You're looking for a garment rack. Put shoes on the bottom, clothing on the center, items on top, pants, jackets, shirts, suits, and more. So if you're looking for a garment, clothing, rack, and more, this product may be something that you are looking for your household needs. Thank you for viewing.